In China, some rural preschoolers start boarding as young as 3-year-old. These children stay in school for 5 consecutive days each week. According to a survey in Yunnan, a province in southwestern part of China, about 1/3 of the preschools provide boarding services. Boarding schools require high level of childcare quality because such institutions integrate the functions of school and home. Although rural boarding preschools provide access to early childhood education, these schools have limited resources. The existing literature, while limited, shows inconsistent results for the effect of boarding on children's development. To address the research gaps, I conducted 2 longitudinal studies in Yunnan. Both studies comprised boarding and non-boarding preschoolers from the same classrooms. The slide shows a classroom used conjunctionally as a dormitory. I took this picture in one of the participating preschools. The study aims to understand the effect of boarding on children's development, both in terms of short-term adaptation to school environment and long-term development in terms of physical, social, and academic domains. I would love to share a few findings with you. First, boarding during preschool is a stressful experience for young children. Upon entry of preschool, boarders experienced a higher level of stress as compared to the non-boarding peers. Second, children's individualized needs might not be adequately addressed by the boarding preschools. For physical development, we found that boarding is associated with more undernutrition and weight problems. Boarding also impairs language development, probably due to limited one-on-one adult-child interactions. Third, for those who have a poor relationship with their primary caregiver, boarding is associated with more school refusal behaviors due to seeking attention from adults. Interestingly, boarding could also have some positive implications. For example, boarders exhibited better social adjustment at school. For academic development, they also scored higher in measures of math. In conclusion, boarding has a mixed effect on children's development. To optimize the strengths and mitigate the risks of boarding, school system should be more responsive to individualized needs, improve the quality of care, and build a nurturing, warm, closely integrated school community. Thanks for listening.